Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, tara sa IKEA dito sa Manchester. And nakaka-enjoy lang maglakad-lakad and magtingin-tingin, 'di ba? Tell me guys, sino yung mga nag-e-enjoy dyan na pumupunta ng IKEA kahit wala namang nabibili? Talagang enjoy kasi mabubusog talaga yung mga mata mo looking at those beautiful furnitures and magkakaroon ka ng mga interior ideas. Parang sa Pinterest, 'di ba? And as you can see, the kids are also enjoying. So parang ginawa na nilang playground ang IKEA. Ayan, ang gaganda nga ng mga cabinet nila. May mirror, kaya mag-mirror selfie tayo. Enjoy na enjoy talaga ni Amber ang bed. Ayan, naghihiga siya. Enjoy talaga siya, guys. Ayan, may cabinet at pinag-o-open ta nila.
Come on the bed with your shoes. Can I put my shoes on?
Ayan guys, napagod na akong maglakad kaya naghanap ako ng mauupuan. Naupo kami saglit, okay lang yan. Maganda ito ay oh.
My hand.
Sit in the high chair. Go sit in the high chair. Oh. Ayan, papasok na naman si Amber. Uupo siya. Feeling niya, office niya yan. So talagang enjoy naman talaga siya. Pag dinala niyo yung mga bata sa IKEA, para na rin silang nagkaroon ng day activity talaga. Kasi ang dami nilang makikita. Tignan nyo naman ang gaming area, oh. F na F talaga ni Amber. Feel na feel. And by the way guys, itong IKEA na pinuntahan namin is the largest IKEA here in the UK. Kaya sobrang enjoy yung mga bata and talagang parang ginawang playground kasi takbo talaga sila ng takbo and non-stop. Parang hindi sila napapagod. Yeah.
This is a boy's room.
Yeah. Go in your room.
This is not my room.
Wow. Both of you. Look at me.
It's spiky. Look what I There was different
Is it cake? Kain sila. Hindi sila pumilo diretso. At dito, dahil minsan lang pumunta, hindi namin palalampasin ang IKEA food. Medyo okay din. Masarap din naman yung food somehow. Hey girl! So, ito na nga. We're gonna pay for our food. Ayan, so 2 trolley ang kinuha namin kasi gutom na gutom kami, 'di ba? Obvious ba? Nagutom kami sa dami ng food. So, ayan, tuloy ang lakad pagkatapos kumain. And alam nyo pa guys, inabot kami ng 6 hours dito. Hindi namin namalayan yung oras, ganun na pala kami katagal dito. Kasi yung ibang IKEA na pinupuntahan namin sa London is inaabot lang kami ng mga 2 hours. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ito talaga sobrang ang laki pala. Ito talaga yung pinakamalaking IKEA na napuntahan ko. And these 2 angels, kung ano-ano din ang mga napapansin nila. Super observant and very appreciative sila sa surroundings. Mga orchids. Ay.
I think it's towards a plants. I have this.
No. Doon kayo sa bathtub.
What is
There's
this?
a bathtub.
Ew, look what's in the back.
Huh? Ooh.
Amber, look. The
Coconuts.
seeds.
Yeah.
They're so big. Oh my god.
White orchids.
What, is this real?
Yeah, it's real.
What is it?
It's the roots.
How
So it will
about
keep on growing.
those? Are those real? I want to see this.
This one, nice.
They think this is for Valentine's Day.
Alan? Ito ba ang yung halaman kami?
Sarah.
We're at the end.
There's one behind we can use it. This one, we can look. There's one behind. Use that.
So, sa area na to, full of boxes. Ito yung pinaka-warehouse. And we're going to collect my sister's drawer kasi nag-order siya ng drawer dito. So, yan, kukunin namin yung mga boxes. And habang naghihintay ako sa sis ko and brother-in-law, ayan, patakbo-takbo tong 2 bata.
I even struggle to do
Nagmamagaling eh. Let me see.
This is how much time we spent at IKEA. Why didn't we just get the other one then?
I like this one because it's sale.
Because it's
It's
pink.
only £2. Ayan na, tapos nang magbayad. Bye guys! So apart from the drawer na binili, ito may mga little somethings din like candles and kung ano-ano, scissor, gamit sa bahay. And ito, pinakagusto ko. Nabili ko siya for myself. And yan, parang very therapeutic na panoorin lang siya. So, yan lang ang nabili. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!